We all use technology every day, but what if I told you some of it is secretly saving the planet? Yep, right under your nose. Stay tuned because number one will blow your mind. Number 5. Smart Home Tech. Devices like thermostats and smart lights aren't just convenient, they're actively reducing energy waste. Take smart thermostats for example. These devices analyze your daily patterns, adjusting heating and cooling automatically to avoid unnecessary energy use. They can even sense when you leave the house, dialing down the temperature to save power. It's like having a tiny energy-saving assistant working 24/7 to cut down your carbon footprint. Believe it or not, biodegradable phone cases and tech accessories are a thing. These innovative accessories are made from materials like cornstarch, bamboo, and even recycled plant fibers. Once discarded, they break down naturally over time, reducing e-waste and contributing to a cleaner environment. So next time you pick up your phone, you might just be holding a piece of tech that works with nature, not against it. Number 3. EV batteries. Sure, you know electric vehicles are eco-friendly, but did you know that used EV batteries are being repurposed to power homes, businesses, and even remote areas? These batteries, once deemed unusable for cars, are finding a second life as a reliable energy storage solution. They serve as a backup power during outages, and they're proving that innovation doesn't stop at the landfill. This repurposing reduces waste and supports the transition to renewable energy, sustainable and genius. Your trainers might be more eco-conscious than you think. Major brands are now crafting shoes from recycled ocean plastics, giving new life to discarded fishing nets and water bottles that would otherwise pollute our oceans. Some companies are even using plant-based materials like algae foam and natural rubber to create stylish, sustainable footwear. These innovative designs not only reduce waste, but also promote renewable resources. Every step you take isn't just a step forward, it's a step toward cleaner oceans and a greener planet. And finally, the number 1, coffee. Coffee grounds aren't just for your morning buzz anymore. Companies are transforming used coffee waste into biofuels, powering everything from buses to industrial machinery. But it doesn't stop there. Those same coffee grounds are being used to create eco-friendly furniture and even biodegradable plastics. Imagine sipping your latte, knowing the leftovers could someday help power a city bus or form a part of a sustainable chair. Suddenly, your caffeine habit feels a lot less guilty and a whole lot more impactful.